Dust is the #1 thief of PV performance. Conventional modules either rely on costly manual cleaning or suffer significant power losses. Next, let's experience the third 5S all-dimensional smart technology features. Self-cleaning. Sungrow smart modules are the first to apply the industry-leading dual-layer, nanoscale, superhydrophilic surface treatment technology. With its superhydrophilic properties, it resists static electricity and dust adhesion, while allowing rainwater to easily wash away dirt, enabling highly efficient self-cleaning of the module. Now, let's take a look at a comparative experiment. First, test the dust adhesion resistance performance of the module. We expose two modules to the same amount of dust. The result is clear. Under identical conditions, Sungrow smart modules surface has significantly less dust. Next, let's proceed to the next experiment, rain cleaning test. Pay attention to the difference. After rainfall, Sungrow smart module is much cleaner than the conventional one. This is the advantage of superhydrophilic self-cleaning technology. Field tests show that power generation is up to 5% higher than conventional module, maintaining a service life that matches the module warranty period. Hotspot risk is significantly reduced.